Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix this app won't run in your PC in Windows 10 or 11. If you're using Windows 10 or especially Windows 11 and you're facing the issue that this app won't run in your PC, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So it might be that the app you are trying to install on your PC is downloaded from a third-party website, or there might be anything else error, or your system is might blocking quietly that app. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you just have to click on this arrow icon and then go to Windows Security, or you can also click on Start button and here just search for Windows Security. So just search for this, open this. Once this has been opened, you just have to click on this app and browser control, then click on repetition based protection. So click on this. And here you must see the option of check apps and files. So you must have to disable this, then click yes. And once it has been disabled, so here you can see that Microsoft Defender Smart Screen help protect your device is checking for unrecognized app and files. So basically, whenever you try to open any third-party file where Microsoft doesn't trust, so it might be blocked. So sometimes due to this setting, you are unable to install any app or any game on your PC. So once it has been done, or you have disabled this, you just have to go back and you have to retry. Or if you're still facing the same issue, so you just have to need developer permission to your PC, or you have to enable developer mode. Now to do this, just go to settings of your PC. So simply go to your settings app, and in settings, go to system, just scroll down and look for advanced. Here's the advanced, just select this. Then scroll down and you must see the option of developer mode. So you just have to enable this, then click yes. So once your developer mode is enabled, now you have permission to install or open any app, any file on your PC. And once it has been done, I recommend you have to try to make a restart with your PC before you retry to open or install that app. So you just have to restart your PC to fulfill your settings, or your pet setting might be applied all over your system. And once half your PC has been restarted, you just have to retry to install or open that app on your PC and you will not get the same issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.